Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back for another Fantom price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Fantom chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Fantom is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. We are also seeing a bit of a breakdown after seeing this massive run up in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.39444 mark. And in my previous video, I focused on a chart pattern that we had over here, which is a double bottom, where we had our common bottom at around the $0.35 mark. And this is a chart pattern that should break to the upper side, having the minimum target areas of the breakout being given by the height between the neckline and the bottoms. And I got that height, placed it above the neckline, giving me a minimum target area at around the $0.4275 mark. But you can see at the time of this recording, we have not yet managed to break above the neckline of this chart pattern. And at the time of this recording, we are seeing a bit of a weakness to the lower side, suggesting that there are chances that we might see a reset of this bottom over here. And in case such a move plays out and maybe we continue seeing further breakdown, then I'll be expecting our key area of support at around the $0.3563 mark to give us support. And in case such a breakdown move plays out, then that will be completing the formation of a triple bottom, where we can have that as the first bottom, the neckline, the second bottom. Then from there we can expect further weakness, seeing the formation of the third bottom. Then from that point we can expect another massive bounce in a move that could possibly give us a breakout, having the minimum target areas still at around the $0.4277 mark. And at the time of this recording, we are also seeing another chart pattern that is in formation right here, where you can see that we are trading within this channel, which could possibly give us a breakout to the lower side in case we continue seeing further weakness. And in case such breakdown plays out, then I'll be having my next target areas at around the $0.365 mark. And in case we hit that target area and continue seeing lower prices, then I'll be watching for the area at around the $0.3565 mark, which is our next key area of support. And that is what I have, basing it on the key chart patterns here on the Fantom chart, and giving you my analysis basing it on the Elliot structures. Basing it on the Elliot structures, we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of a larger Elliot count 2 of this Elliot structure right here in blue, whose minimum target area I have highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that larger Elliot count 1 in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.5338 mark. And having seen the formation of that first wave, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area for that wave 2 between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which is a target area that lies between the $0.4188 mark and the $0.3534 mark. And it is within this red target area that I'm expecting Fantom to continue holding within for us to still say that we are still in the formation of this wave 2. And as long as we continue holding within it, then we can expect our massive run up to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3. So in case we see further breakdown and continue holding within this red target area, I still think that Fantom is safe, basing it on the Elliot structures, and we can still see that run up in the formation of that wave 3. We also need to watch out for a breakout of this chart pattern that I have shown you, that could also possibly lead us to getting another triple, that is a triple bottom over here, which is a chart pattern that could possibly give us a breakout to the upper side, once you see the formation of that chart pattern come to a complete, and we also continue holding at around the $0.3568 mark, which is a significant area of support. So that is what I have here on the Fantom chart. Also taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI we are trading at around the 47 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.